Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm tasting something very satisfying called Small Bubble Blackhead Beauty Device from China. So this device has been going viral recently. Let's see whether it works or is just another gadget ends up in your drawer. This device claims to remove your blackhead and deep clean your pores and leave your skin a glowy look. And for how much? This device, because I'm living in China, I bought it around 40 RMB, which literally can be less than $6. So this device for $6, do you think it's worth it? So let's going to unbox this device. It's giving actually a plasticky feeling, which is really something you can expect from $6 device. So it comes with an instrument notebook, a device itself with 6 interchangeable heads which you can switch for different functionality. So for this device you have to fill it with purified water, which I'm going to add right now. Make sure you add purified water because it's going to use it as suction for your skin, so definitely purified water. So for the videos I've watched from this device is going to use this water as a suction and bring back all the dirt coming from this side. So I want to use it now. Make sure to steam your face for a while, or just like me, come from the shower so that your skin is pretty hydrated. So the different heads are meant for different functionalities. So I'm going to use this little one, which is actually for cleaning around the nose or small areas like here. Mostly I have a lot of blackheads around my nose. Make sure to charge your device before using it. So here it is. Turn on the device. The lowest suction. It sounds like it have 4 suction powers, which is starting with the lowest, ends up with the highest. So I'm going to test the level 1 because it sounds a little bit scary for me. I'm afraid maybe I make my skin bruised. So let's going to start it. I think I can increase the power. If you're not careful, it might bruise your skin, so always notice. As you can see, it might even make your skin a little bit red, which is quite normal, and after maybe after some seconds it's going to fade away, so don't worry about it. Let's go. Wow. It's pretty disgusting and amazing. You can see it's going to work. I'm continue. Okay, so let's go try the other heads. As can you see, there are some different types of material heads which look like a silicone head. Uh, I went to search about and I found out these silicone heads are a little bit providing lower suctions. It's good for people with very dry skins, and it's provide lower suctions actually, literally, and it's also good for circulation blood under your skin, which is for massaging. So let's go try the other heads. I'm going to start with this because I have a pretty oily skin face. Before removing this, I'm going to show you this again. A little bit gross but satisfying. So, wow, pretty tough. Always try to use it above. Also, to use it for massage, both to remove the blackheads. I'm trying to hold my skin to help it. Wow, it's pretty strong. Okay, so it's a little bit tough. I tried on the lowest suction. These bigger heads are for larger places for your face, and I can see that it's removing the oil in my face. But for using of it, you should be more careful because it's actually have the potential to make your face bruised. But as for now, you can see the difference of the water. This part is the dirty water. This is the purified water. Notice the difference. The dirty water comes from your skin. The clean water used to clean your face. Okay. Wow. Satisfying or gross? comment in the comment section. So I'm going to remove this head to try the massaging head. So pros and cons for this device. It's actually affordable, it's rechargeable, and it really removes the oil in your face and the blackheads with the suction it provides. But the downside is that the suction can be too strong for sensitive skins, and you have to make sure don't overuse it. Maybe once or twice a week might be okay. The quality overall is just okay. So thanks for watching. Have you ever used one of these Blackhead suction tools? Let me know in the comments if you have used some tools before. So as I guess, these silicone heads are more beginner friendly. So if you are a beginner, try to use the silicone heads for massage. But as for me, I prefer the smallest head, which is actually good for around your nose, the pores around your nose, the blackhead. It can really suction very well and hard. Make sure to know how to use your device before using this, because it's the most tough suction with this head. So overall, the review I give for this device, as you can see, dirty, clean. It's something I really needed in my drawer. If I don't have, I might have some problem. No, but for the price, I think it's worth buying. If you are curious, if you want to try trendy devices, you can try, go ahead and buy it. But it's not something really, really useful that you need to have it in your drawer. But I'll give a thumbs up for $6 for this blackhead remover device. So, and if you want more Chinese product reviews, hit that like button, subscribe and ring bell so that you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.